Hi, I'm Jacob.
Hi, I'm Cindy.
Check out our first rotation on the UMC program as a sales assistant.
Come and follow our day. The day starts by checking the daily rota to understand my task. This enables me to practice and master basic shop floor skills. Interacting with customers lets me listen and truly understand their needs to meet their expectations. I share this insight with my store manager so we can adapt our approach to future opportunities.
My tasks on the shop floor are varied, often hands-on and physically engaging. Though it may seem simple, mastering execution and task timing is the key to preparing me for my next rotation. A few months in,
We are in our next rotation as a supervisor.
in team talks, I actively share sales insights, introduce new products, and reflect customer feedback. Throughout the day, I'm not just observing and delegating. I work alongside my team, supporting them while continuing to deliver the same tasks and values. Having people responsibilities helps me start discovering and shaping my own management style for the future.
To learn the business side of the store, I take ownership of a key product, analyzing demand, customer feedback, and performance across stores. This helps me suggest the right stock to my store manager to boost sales and meet customer needs. Growing to the leader I aim to be, I meet weekly with my trainer who brings valuable in-store experience to review performance, gain feedback, and plan. See the steps we're taking?
To excel in the assistant store manager role.
Join us on our final rotation.
Throughout the program, we receive support from senior leaders. We attend leadership conventions, group sessions, and one-on-one conversations with the COO. Outside the shop floor, I focus on analysing sales reports, performance of products, and reviewing the voice of customers. My store manager and I work closely together to plan inventory and shop floor layout, driving sales while managing profit and loss effectively.
I also support recruitment decisions and create effective rotas to keep the store running smoothly. Motivating my team members is essential to build a strong and united team. Working closely with the team every day is the best way to understand our customers and ensure my store responds to their needs. I identify their potential through regular evaluations and support their growth with training to help them progress to the next level.
We hope you've learned a lot in our one-year journey.
Now wish us luck as we go for a promotion interview to become store manager.